Kindness makes the world go round, the world go round, the world go round. Kindness makes the world go round, that lovely, thoughtful act can make the world better, that's a fact. Cha-cha-cha.
Bravo! Bravo! That was such a good intro to our favorite street, Sesame Street. Let's see what we're going to learn as we walk the streets of Sesame, where I have learned so many important lessons, as you probably have as well. Elmo! Oh, everybody loves Elmo! Elmo woke up to a bright, cheery sun. The day was brand new. Na 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 na. He was ready for fun. It wasn't his birthday, but there, on the floor, was a gift wrapped in paper and ribbons galore. I wonder why. It says to Elmo, and I love the bright blue and the big red bow, which matches his fur. Inside was a camera, and attached was a note. It was from Elmo's mommy, and on it she wrote, "Here's a gift from my boy, and there is a reason, though it's not your birthday or the holiday season. It's World Kindness Day, a day to show caring, a day to be thoughtful, forgiving, and sharing. I'm giving to you, for you're sweeter than sweet. Now go capture kindness on Sesame Street." Oh, I love this. A gift for World Kindness Day? No wonder Doug the Dinosaur was here for that one. He is Mr. Kindness around here. Elmo looked all around. Then a thought came to his mind. What kind of kindness might Elmo soon find? Those who are friendly or thoughtful or giving? He wanted to go see where kindness was living. Over there? Is it over there? Is it over there? Is it over there? All through the day, Elmo learned many things, like how Big Bird showed kindness with just his 2 wings, perhaps holding the door for friends half his size, or perhaps even smaller. They're such tiny guys. Hi guys. Hey, how you doing? The best gifts are ones that are given with love. Be they cameras or flowers or old baseball gloves, the thought is what counts at the end of the day, even if grouches don't like rose bouquets. And that's so true. I know you're thinking, I don't have money to buy a gift, but it's so much about the thought that counts. It could be that old mitt, because maybe she thought that Oscar had been talking about needing a mitt, and she found one and immediately brought it to him. Now, I would sure be grateful if somebody brought me something that I needed. It doesn't have to be new. Elmo learned something simple, like sharing a sweater can brighten a day and make the whole world better, especially for that poor cold guy. Brr. That kindness is not just about what we show to friends that we love or to people we know. That's right. Did you see that part? It's not just about giving things to people we love or the people we know. Kindness, it's for everyone. Kindness is something that we can give everyone, every person or thing that lives under the sun. From the birds in the sky to the worms in the ground, kindness is what makes the world go round. Cookies and milk! Elmo photographed Cookie. Pah! The flash was so bright, and remembered the value of being polite. Please? No matter the monster, no matter the place, to say please and then thank you will always show grace. Elmo learned that a friend always offers a hand to help someone up when they cannot stand. And even if you end up falling down too, blunk, it's still right to put someone else before you. That's the very act of giving, is not being selfish and giving to someone else, even if that means landing on your butt sometimes. Elmo captured a message that everyone knows. Sharing is caring, as the old saying goes. Rosita and Zoe know the best thing to do is not to eat ice cream with 1 spoon, but 2. Especially if it's chocolate, then Green Bear will definitely be hoping you're sharing. Elmo noticed some kindness is shown with a broom, or by raking the leaves, or by cleaning your room. Kindness takes practice, but when you deliver, you may be surprised. It's great being the giver. Elmo stopped at the park. He had finished his quest. His mom had been right. Being kind was the best. As Elmo and Julia took turns on the slide, the little red monster felt all warm inside. I'm feeling pretty warm reading this book myself, I have to say. Back home with his photos, Elmo sat down and thought of the things he'd seen around town. The generous spirit of family and friends showed him the best way to mark the day's end. Oh, looks like in the gift, the camera, there was also a photo album, so now he could put his photos in it. When his mother came home a bit later that night, a hug from her Elmo made all the world right and bright. He gave her a gift tied with red bows galore, and she opened it up as they sat on the floor. It's a photo album of all the photos that he took, and now he's showing her. That is a great gift to give back. The gift was a scrapbook with a note on page 1 that read, "Happy Kindness Day with love from your son." They flipped through the photos. Together they found that kindness is what makes the world go around. Look at that. There's the scene with Big Bird opening the door for friends. That's a simple, small, important act of kindness. Here we have Oscar the Grouch receiving a gift of an old mitt that, well, Oscar loves recycled stuff, so that's perfect for him. And here's Cookie Monster with Grover, and there's Bert and Ernie, and their poor Bert ended up on his butt trying to help Ernie, but they had a good time. And see all the acts of kindness that we saw from everyone, even the little worms. And kindness does make the world go round, the world go round, the world go round. I loved this book so much. It's so perfect for World Kindness Day.
Although, storyteller,
Yes, Doug the Dinosaur.
I like to celebrate World Kindness Day
Every day, he is Mr. World Kindness, and he teaches me a lot about being patient and kind to others, because sometimes I can be a little bit impatient with people. But he helps me by setting the example of helping others.
Oh, Great Bear, that is the nicest thing to say.
Well, that's why you're my best friend, Doug the Dinosaur, because you teach me stuff, and I teach you stuff, and now we help each other.
Yeah, and if you were to fall down while you were ice skating, I would pick you up.
Oh, and if you needed me to scratch your back in a spot where you couldn't reach, I would totally scratch your back.
That is the awesomest thing ever, and I hope that you know that you can be just as kind like we are with each other and with people we don't know, because after all, we're all part of the family of the world.
You are so poetic sometimes.
Thanks. See you next time, kid, on KidTime
StoryTime! We make the world
Go Round.
the world go round, the world.
Go Round. That was so much fun.
It was kindness makes the world
Go Round.
that awesome, happy act.
It makes the world better. That's a fact.